finally getting rid of the hot tub. The people who said they wanted it are coming to pick it up. They're a little late. Hopefully they're still coming.
Go, 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 go.
Bye bye. Never to see you again. Yes. Inside the pool though.
I think it will be a blue and white one.
You think so?
But I think it'll be a blue and pink one.
Pink? Okay.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. So we are out here. Daddy is trying to get our area for the pool ready. Let's see. Yeah, he's gonna level out the sand pit area. I don't think it was originally a sand pit. I think they just had a pool here, honestly. And now we're gonna put another one here for the girls. Nothing big, something small, so they could have a nice cool summer. Today is really hot, and Araya is helping because, you know, it's nice. Them feel nice and them get a chance to be a part of something. So, especially when Daddy's doing it, they like that. So he's just measuring where he's going to level out, because the circle is, let me see if I can get a wide shot of the circle. The circle is pretty wide. It's 23 feet in diameter, but the pool that we have is only 14. So level out a good portion of it. That's the goal. And then leave the edges and put pebbles or whatever Daddy's vision is. And it's already set up here where the toolbox is before.
This is 14 foot, right?
Yeah.
That went 18. That gives us 4, 2 on each side to play with.
Hold on, babe. So here we have a little setup with power, some electrical, so we can plug in the pump, and I guess that's like a base where they kept their pump before. Yeah.
9 foot in each direction.
So you're giving 2 foot?
2 on each, yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. And then you just fill in the rest, you say, right? But isn't your wood plank only 8?
This is 9, so that makes lifting much easier.
Yeah, okay. It's really hot though in here. The girls out here. The girls wearing their
You want me to get you a seat belt?
hats.
Right here?
Not right here in the sun. Yeah, in the cool shade. Because the sun, Lord God, it just the eye in the sky. I need one of them out there for myself. Whew. Yeah, I was just editing. I'm almost finished. I'm gonna ask,
One side.
why would I be outside naked? So I'm just gonna go get the computer so I can finish editing the vlog that I'm gonna post tomorrow and on Wednesday. We post Wednesdays and Saturdays. Saturdays either a vlog or a rum and reason. Yeah, that's our schedule. So let me get the computer.
And then he's gonna reach it at 4 o'clock.
Mm-mm. I feel like you don't need no sand. I feel like there's enough in there, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you don't need sand. That look nice, babes.
That's it?
I said that look nice.
Go. Good job every time. Like every day, I try.
Why can we only get five?
Alright, she want 2 more tries. You want 2 more tries.
If I get 5 tries.
Yeah, everybody gonna get 5 tries. 1,
Then you.
2, 3, 4. Alright, come. 1,
Oh, yeah.
2,
There again.
3, go. Every day too slow. Come again.
I was doing it.
1 more try, right. Come. 1,
Watch the rope, alright.
2, 3, go. Every try.
So babe is almost halfway on the leveling. And we have, our house is getting power washed right now.
I will back in the right time too. I'll have guests over Thursday.
Yeah.
At least the grass looks nice. The house
So
looks clean.
that's
Inside
a
anyway.
thing we're doing. And yeah, we just out here working. I keep saying we, but not to diminish all the hard work of all the people who are actually doing the work. I'm just here providing
Moral
emotional and
support
moral
is needed.
support. Right, babe?
It is needed.
I'm glad you feel like it's needed, babe. I
Yeah, oh
feel
yeah. Left your own thoughts.
you left
And
your
me and my
thoughts.
own thoughts should never be in the same room together.
Oh, stop it. You have great ideas when you're thinking, though. But yeah, so.
That's what I'm thinking constructively.
So yeah, we almost finished. Let me see if I can get a close up of these people. Almost finished is relative though. Oh, they're coming down, but they go up, they power wash, they come down, they move. Yeah.
I'm going good.
You feel like it's going good?
There's some
Good.
little low spots in the middle, but when they get it more fair levels,
Yeah.
let's go for the bag that's
I feel like you could use what's on the edges.
And what we're gonna do then, son?
You could use it to create that slope you were saying.
I'm not feeling that slow.
Okay. All right. We are also finally getting rid of the hot tub. The people who said they wanted it are coming to pick it up. They're a little late. Hopefully they're still coming, but I'm so excited. To me it's like this is a kind of a purging. I feel like we've been purging for the last couple of weeks, and now we are getting rid of bad boy over here. Purging is so important. I've just felt like, even though I'm not gonna put anything there immediately, it's nice to have the space and to kind of have a better visual of what we want to do. So I'm very happy about that, and I cannot wait for them to come and pick it up and for it not to be there. I think it's gonna feel so much more open over there. Let me show you guys from this perspective. I think it's gonna feel so much open over there, and we can put maybe like a table with seating or whatever we decide, but at least, you know, it won't be there and we'll have options. Because right now I feel like we can't really put anybody in this spot because it's right in front of the steps and it kind of just blocks movement. And here, this is where we've been putting, you know, when people come over, but it's not a lot of space, so can't really have too many people all at once. It's the best, most shaded region of the yard, the patio area. So woohoo! Thank God for Facebook and that and that page where we posted this thing, because I don't know how we were gonna get rid of it. I was thinking we'd have to pay somebody to come and pick it up and then haul it away, but honestly it works. So whoever wants to get it and just spruce it up and get it looked at and it's not broken, but changing the filter and everything and all of them thing what I'm doing them up these things. I mean, I know, but yeah, I'm glad it's gonna be somebody else's headache, because we really have not had access to this area of our yard, and there's even space next to it, so it's definitely taking up a lot of space. So here's to continued purging and taking the weight off of our backs and starting anew and starting fresh. Woo, 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 woo. And the house is getting power washed, so we'll see. But man, I can't wait till them take with us something that me over at my tie bad. Whew. Thank God for small blessings. I don't know if that's a song, but thank God for small blessings, okay? Sometimes I feel like we have to purge our lives of things and people, elements that are holding us back, elements that mean us no good, and just things that are not supposed to be there anymore, so that we can be able to welcome in whatever blessings God has for us, and you know, whatever's out there for us that's fresh and new. Sometimes they can't come into our lives unless, you know, we properly purge. So that's why I'm excited. So it is hard work, but they are doing good. Yeah, but
Set up and everything, then maybe that just attach electrical and water to it.
no water's attached to it. You just put the water in it. You catch the water in it. Like, you see that little thing right there? Oh, that's the out part of the water. But the other part, you just put your hose on top of it and catch the water.
Go.
You better give him a good tip.
Lift it. Got it. You going? Go, Zach.
That's gonna be an incline. The motherfucker be really careful and roll with it. Roll away.
You want to know if him can carry the truck less, so.
Yeah, that would be better.
You can drive the truck on the grass?
Yeah, I guess.
Them gone with the cover too.
Them said I'm not taking the cover. Them a cover is a cover.
Well, them can maybe get it fixed or something.
No, them say a cover. I wanna do now, babe.
I'll move the car. So I'll buck up the truck right this.
Okay, good. So we're done. We got it on the truck. It's about to go away. I'm very happy and very grateful to these lovely people, and I hope they have many uses out from it, because we were never gonna use it. I don't know why I feel that way about hot tubs. I just don't like hot tubs. Bye bye, hot tub. So happy. Hot tub is gone. I hope they get many uses out of it. Bye bye. Never to see you again. Yes. Inside the pool though. You think so?
But I think it's gonna be a blue and pink one.
Pink? Okay.
It can't be blue and pink.
You could put lights in it that are pink.
Oh, slime is pink.
Yeah, let's go. Bye, hot tub.
You get good use.
You did get good use.
I will get good use.
Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna get good use. We were never gonna use it. back to business. Baby's more than halfway through leveling. Honestly, it's turning out pretty well considering that we've never done this before. Avery, I wonder if you're gonna put up the pole today.
I don't think they'll go up today.
You think the ground will be ready for it tomorrow?
Yeah. So that may try get a level, spray the thing,
Yeah, make it kill off some of them.
and prevent it too.
Yeah.
Today, a right tail, tummy, and the drive. And turn on notification bell right there.